In our software company example, prices operate on a 3-tier structure. Given this information, we want to calculate the revenue for each company. To make writing these equations a little easier, I've named the 3 prices high price, mid price, and low price. We'll start by writing our first if statement, and the first logical test will check if the number of users is less than 100. If this is true, we'll multiply the number of users by the high price. If it isn't true, we'll create another if statement. And this time we'll check if our number of users is less than 500. And if it's true, we'll multiply the number of users by the mid price. And if it's false, we'll multiply the number of users by the low price. Then we'll close the brackets and the bracket of the first if statement and press enter.